Okay, so as always with some exercise or with meditation, it's good if you sit comfortably. You don't have to sit like a monk, but just relaxed. And what we will be doing is you take a slow inhalation through your nose for 5 seconds. I'll demonstrate it first. So in through your nose, slow inhalation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you hold your breath. You relax your shoulders for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you exhale slowly. You purse your lips slightly, but you keep your jaw relaxed for 5 as well. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll demonstrate it now to you without the counting. So I'm going to inhale first through my nose. Hold. Exhale. Exhale fully. I'll do it again. Slow inhalation for the count of 5. Hold, relax your shoulders for another 5. Exhale through your lips. Push all the air out. So I just want to check if that counting of 5 is working for everybody. It could be that you work better with 4. So can you let me know if that works for you, the 5? Okay, perfect. Then, sorry? Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'll guide you through it. So let's start together. You can close your eyes. Take a slow inhalation through your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. 3, 4, 5. Exhale through the mouth. Purse your lips slightly. Keep your jaw relaxed. 3, 4, 5. And let's pause here for a moment. Slow inhalation. Hold. Exhale mouth. Slow inhalation. Hold. Exhale mouth. Inhale. Hold. Relax your shoulders. Exhale. Keep your jaw relaxed. Slow inhalation. Hold. Exhale fully through your mouth. Now let's do this in our own pace. I'll keep quiet. And we do this for a few minutes. Inhale 5, hold 5, exhale 5. You can count with your fingers. Let's start. You can just let your mind, your focus on just that breath and that counting. And if your mind starts to wander, no worries, that's perfectly normal. Just guide it back to your inhalation and the counting of 5. Keep your shoulders loose. Relax your jaw. We stay for 2 more minutes. I'll be watching the time. Slow inhalation, hold, slow exhalation. Now finish your round until the last exhale. And then bring your awareness to your body. And just notice how it feels. Observing any subtle differences. See if there's any difference in your mental state. Just in a very subtle way, taking stock of what you just did. And this is something very simple that you can do yourself during the day whenever you want to, even if it's just for a minute or two. Just finding a spot, closing your eyes and taking a slow, deep inhalation, hold it and exhale. And then when you feel ready, you can open your eyes.